What is CO2? Carbon dioxide or CO2 is a greenhouse gas that is natural, colorless, odorless and harmless in small quantities. This gas naturally occurring in the Earth's atmosphere with other gases, helping the Earth to keep warm so that life can thrive easier. The problem is constant CO2 emissions, the result of burning fossil fuels such as oils, gases and coals. That abundance of CO2 in the Earth's atmosphere means more heat gets trapped and contributes to a rise in global temperatures and climate change. Now, what is the smallest CO2 producer? Let's ask the people in the park. Do you know what is the smallest CO2 producer? Take a guess. Good guess, but it is actually A. Yes, your email. Hello there. Will it be all right to check out your email inboxes? Let's see, you have 7,520 unread emails and 885 spam. Well, do you know over the course of a year, a person's average email usage varies between 3 to 40 kg of carbon. This is the often result of receiving spam email which cause 0.3 grams CO2, sending a formal email which cause 4 grams CO2, or adding an attachment document with large paragraph sentence as an email which cause 50 grams CO2. To anyone, this is a small amount of carbon dioxide emissions. However, the individual's contribution of our emails to global emissions is magnetized across the world's 4.1 billion people of the global population that have access to the internet. All this is handled through a data center. A data center is a facility that centralizes an organization's or individual's shared IT operations for the purposes of storing, processing, and disseminating data and applications. The data centers operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without any interruption. This will consume a lot of power. And the result of this making data centers responsible for 2% of CO2 emissions worldwide. In 2023, about 347 million of tons of carbon will be released over the course of that year. If we cut that carbon in half and then transfer that into energy, we will have around 4.1 billion kilowatt an hour of power. With all that energy, we can power up 20 million microwave, 3.4 million fridge, 4.6 million cooker and 8.9 million washing machine. Each of them for a year. So much energy wasted from storing unread emails and spams. However, emails are still the best and reliable way to send messages across the world. If emailing is part of your daily tasks in the office or personal use, you can help to reduce your email carbon dioxide emissions by send short messages with links to documents, rather than attaching them. Deleting unnecessary or old emails to reduce the amount of energy required to store them in data centers. Purging your junk folder occasionally. Unsubscribe from newsletters and switched off notifications from website that you registered with. Compressing email of videos or images. Hope this was a fun and educational animation about emails CO2. Have a good day.